How to log in to Wes Banco Bank, online banking. Kindly begin by opening your preferred and secure web browser on your computer. Navigate to a reliable search engine such as google.com. In the search bar, type Wes Banco and press the Enter key. From the search results, please identify and click on the official and verified website of Wes Banco Bank. Once on the home page, click on the Logins option to initiate the login process. On the login page, enter your user ID in the designated field. If you have forgotten your user ID, click on Forgot Your User ID to begin the recovery process. For new users, please click on Need to Enroll to start the online banking registration. If you require additional guidance, click on Explore Digital Banking Demos for helpful tutorials. Next, click on the Login button to proceed to the password section. Finally, after entering your password, you will be able to securely access your online banking account. If you are a business user, you may enter your credentials in the designated business login section.